Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up the Samsung wallet on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First of all, let's open the apps menu and then open the Samsung apps folder. Then tap on wallet and tap get started if this is the country that you are currently in. Tap continue. If you want to allow the smart wallet to send you notifications, you can allow them, or you can don't allow them if you don't want to. Then provide a password to your account. Once you do that, allow Samsung Wallet to make and manage phone calls. Then you can choose a verification method, either a fingerprint as a more secure option or a PIN code if you want to. Let's select use fingerprint and then scan your fingerprint to verify your identity. Then set the app PIN, so add a 4-digit PIN. Okay. Then confirm. Then wait for a moment. And after that, add the first card. So tap add, then select payment cards. Then you can allow Samsung Wallet to take pictures and record video and scan your QR code, card with the phone's camera. Or just use your camera, place your credit card or debit card within the edges of this rectangle, or select add card manually and provide the card number and your name. Then tap next and provide the other credentials, so your CVV or other kind of code to your card, and then the card will be added and you'll be able to start using it with your smartphone using NFC. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.